Back pain is one of the most reported employee health issues in the office workplace. Therefore, to promote a proper foot positioning while sitting, a footrest is one great way to help you deal with back pain. But you may be wondering, how can a footrest help with your back problems? Prolonged sitting in a chair with improperly positioned feet and bad posture can put a strain on your spine. The human body is a well-connected machine, so if your feet are not properly supported, this can easily have an impact on your body. You can suffer from poor blood circulation, pain in the left leg, foot, knees, joints, and your lower back. These ailments are just some of the main reasons for loss of productivity in the workplace, and even worse, long-term health problems. Aside from this happening at your work office, this problem can also occur when you're sitting at home or during long-haul flights in an airplane. So what is the solution to prevent these ailments, aches, and pains? There are various ways in order for a person to achieve a better sitting position. This includes adjusting the desk height to your personal measurements, using an ergonomic adjustable office chair, and by standing and stretching every few minutes. However, these are not always possible. For offices with numerous workers, desks and chairs are adjusted for the average person and not customized for the individual. Desks cannot always be adjusted for each person's individual support and comfort level. Even adjustable chairs have limitations, as one type of chair cannot really suit every person's body frame and size. In long-haul flights, it is also difficult to always stand up and roam around the plane, especially when the plane is experiencing turbulence or sitting in a window seat. Using an ergonomically designed footrest is then the easiest and most convenient solution to instantly relieve you from these back and leg issues. By elevating your legs and knees to a comfortable angle, the strain on your lower back as well as your thighs can be instantly relieved. The footrest can also improve your lower body circulation and soothe your tired feet, legs, and calves. Plus, it can prevent you from any further pain if you are already suffering from back or leg injury. However, it is important to choose a footrest product from a trusted brand such as the Pure Journey Footrest. This footrest incorporates a unique angle that naturally fits your feet, making it great for long periods of sitting as well as for relieving tired feet. Pure Journey Footrest features a memory foam and a soft fabric cover that is luxuriously comfortable for your feet. The cover is also made of a non-slip material ideal for both carpets and floors, so it won't harm or scuff the surface. It can also be easily unzipped and washed to look fresh and new. So do something good for your back and for your overall health. Don't suffer from back pain, leg cramps, and continuous muscle aches. Get the Pure Journey Footrest today and feel the difference.